to bisect a line, and we're going to take a look as well to bisect a given angle. Okay, so first I'm going to divide this into two parts so that we can have clarity. Okay. So we do the line and then we do the angle. Okay. I'm given a line AB, any length at the moment. I'll just draw any line. I want to label the points. Let's call them A, B, we would consider A and B the endpoints. Use my compass. When you use your compass, you always ensure that when you want to set your pencil, it's properly or well sharpened. You don't put your tip of your pencil to be greater than the tip of the compass, so you always ensure that they are the same length. Okay, we align, and when we can tighten and ensure it's fixed. Then I want to consider the endpoints A and then endpoint B. Okay, set your compass at A. You open greater than half, and then scribe an arc above. So greater than half, you scribe an arc above, same radius, and one at B, one above, sorry, and one below. Don't change the radius, use the same radius, and you reposition at B now. Okay, at B, and from B you scribe an arc above and one to intersect the one below, above and below. So 2 points, 1 and 2. You join. Join them with your ruler. And there we have this bisector. So here you have divided that line into 2 parts, or what we know as bisection. What happens if the line is inclined? As this is horizontal, if it's vertical, then the same process, and if it's inclined, then the same concept applies. Okay, let's assume that this is an inclined one. Same names, A and B. Regardless of the orientation of the line, we ensure that the letters are vertical, A and B. Same concept. Consider the endpoints A and B. A, more than half, scribe an arc above, one below. Okay, one above, one below. Same radius, reposition now at B, and scribe an arc to intersect one at A and one at B. Alright, so I'll erase this a bit. So you see it's this point and this one. Join. And there we have divided the line into 2 equal parts. Now, so that's the bisecting a line. Dividing a line into an equal number of parts has been shared in another video. What happens if I have 2 lines that intersect and I want to bisect that? Let's consider first horizontal, and then we include any one angle. Okay, we give a name to these points. 5 mm, Start with A, B and C. Compass, angle A, B, C. Set our compass at B. Open to any angle, any radius, that is. You can open to here and open up to here. Okay, but because of the complexity and the distance or the space provided, then I'll open to a smaller radius. Open here. Okay, then I'll use my compass and I'll scribe an arc. And the points that I'm interested in would be 1 and 2. Okay, open your compass to a different radius now, a little bit bigger than this. And you reposition your compass. You're going to use the bottom first. And once this is there, then I want to scribe an arc on this space. 1. Same radius, reposition now at the other corresponding point. And I scribe. 2. I join. And here you have bisected an angle, which means that this is the same angle as this one, the same number of degrees. And again, regardless of what orientation this angle is, I'll draw one that is, I'll just make up one. I'll just do 2 different small ones here, just for argument's sake. 1, I want to bisect this angle. I use 3. I'll bisect this angle, and then I'll bisect one in the opposite direction. 1 and 2. Okay, so I'll consider the center. I'll open to a smaller radius here. Scribe radius, I'll use 1 and 2. Open a bit bigger. This point. 1, same radius, position at the corresponding point, scribe, and here I have bisected this angle. Okay, same concept for this one, and meeting point, I scribe point 1, greater radius, I scribe, same angle, same radius, here, and I scribe. I've bisected one angle. And here, the same thing. Set my compass there. Scribe, so I know that these are the points. Okay, I'll set my compass here first. Greater radius, scribe, same radius, position at the second point, corresponding arc, and I join. And there I have bisected 3 other angles similar to this first. Once I understand this concept and this one, then you can start moving on with more complex drawings. Okay, so this, I hope this video helps you with your ability to use basic concept to produce more complex drawings. Okay, thank you very much for following.